welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jenny again, and today I'm gonna be going over what I have received from Vichy. So they sent me a PR package and I'm super excited to see what they have sent me. I will go over each product by unboxing and trying it on myself. So first up we have Vichy Laboratories Lift Active Supreme Vitamin C Serum Brightening Skin Corrector. It has 15% of pure vitamin C and it visibly brightens in 10 days. Complexion looks more even, corrects the looks of fine lines, and it's fragrance free and allergy tested. So it comes in a bottle like this with an applicator like this. And all you need to do is unscrew this top. Oh, you heard that? It opened. I guess it gets activated when you open it, and then what you need to do is just screw the top and shake, 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 and then you'll be able to see. Ooh, it bubbles. It's liquidy texture. So it's running like that. Smells like lemon juice. So yeah, I'll be putting it on my skin. The next I received is the Lift Active Pure Retinol Serum Deep Wrinkles. It has 0.2% of pure retinols and it reduces the look of deep and stubborn wrinkles, surfaces the skin texture. So same applicator, so it's closed like this and it comes with an applicator, so you have to activate it by opening. Let's give it a shake, shake, shake. And then we're going to apply it on my skin. Okay, so I just learned something new. You have to press this over here to get the liquid out. Like that. If you just shake it like I just did, it won't work. But that's the texture. Next is Mineral 89 72-Hour Moisturizer Boosting Cream. It's fragrance free and it's pure hyaluronic acid and minerals with vitamin B3 and E and squalene. I feel like I've seen this everywhere on ads recently. And then when you open it up, voila, looks perfect. And then the texture looks like this. It's like thicker moisturizing cream. It's definitely not liquid, but I feel like it does absorb very quickly. And the last one is Mineral 89 Fortifying and Plumping Daily Booster. It has 89% of volcanic water, rich in 15 minerals with hyaluronic acid. It also strengthens skin barrier and hydrates and plumps. So it comes like this. It's just a applicator. You just press, and we're gonna just do a swatch over here, and the texture. Oh. Okay, so it does feel like gel, kind of like hair gel kind of vibe. But funny thing is, it's not that sticky when I touch my fingers to it. So I don't think it's sticky. It's just when it goes on, it feels like a thick gel. And it absorbs very quickly. I just did 2 drops of it by accident, but I did 2 serum and it absorbed perfectly fine. So there you have it. I have just received 4 new products from Vichy where I'm really excited to try. The following video after this one will be skin analytics video where I show you to see if actually PR products that they sent me would actually match what I actually need, because that would be really awesome, right? So thanks for watching this video. I hope you got a great idea of what Vichy Laboratories skincares look like right now. Like this video if you found this helpful and comment below if you have any questions. Till next time, bye!